It's easy to look at a car like the Ford GT and consider it a solid investment. Taken at face value, GTs, currently selling for over twice their original retail, are an easy way to bank a hard asset. But focusing on simple financials doesn't really do these classics justice. See, the collector car market is built around passion and the feeling certain cars inspire, and often the most visceral and exclusive machines bring the biggest money. The Ford GT is certainly a visceral experience, but this incredible GTX1 takes things to a whole new level. Not only is this car an ultra-exclusive variant of a highly exclusive Halo marquee, it also uses choice modifications to enhance an already thrilling driving experience. Want an investment that performs in more ways than one? We recommend this formidable Ford. Highly desirable and extremely potent, this unique Ford is a no-compromises exercise in world-class driving. If you're looking for an excellent combination of speed, equity, and exclusivity, this is it. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.